Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back with the last part of today's lecture, Maclaurin series expansion. You will be asked to find the derivative, wait a minute. Okay, this is your exercise basically 2.8. Apply the Maclaurin series expansion to prove. So this is a series expansion. You are familiar with the infinite series, right? Up to so on and all. So this is a Maclaurin series expansion is a series, and this would be used to prove these whole things. By the way, of course, you'll be shocked to hear this, but you have to memorize these things too. There are some common series expansions in your book. You can see, and those questions, those series are needed to be memorized, okay, for your MCQs. Anyways, let us get started with today's lecture. We will be doing question number 1, and I will be just discussing first part and any of these two parts maybe, right? I will be discussing how to take the derivative of, even you can see 2-3 more questions, but we will be doing today question number 1, which is related to Maclaurin series expansion, right? Firstly, you have to memorize Maclaurin series itself. What is Maclaurin series? It is this. Okay, let me make you memorize it. F of x equals to f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0, f prime या f dash यानी first derivative, plus x square by 2 factorial, this is factorial, into f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus so on, right? 3 से आगे हमें जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. That's it. Clear? Okay, now you'll be thinking, what does it mean, f of 0 and all? See, if I have a function, let us say, okay, let me discuss one of the question. Okay, let me say this is the question, cos of x. Okay, if my f of x is cos of x, then I need these all values. ठीक है, हम करेंगे क्या, अपना फंक्शन लिखने के बाद लाइक दिस, आई टुक f of x is equal to cos of x. ठीक है, आई वॉन्ट दीज ऑल वैल्यूज, दिस वैल्यू, दिस वैल्यू, दिस वैल्यू एंड दिस वैल्यू अप टू सो ऑन. क्लियर? नाउ दिस इज एफ ऑफ एक्स. आई डू नॉट नीड एफ ऑफ एक्स. एफ ऑफ एक्स तो यहाँ पे पुट हो जाएगा इसकी जगह. आई वॉन्ट एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो. हाउ वुड आई गेट एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो? You all know, we have done this thing in exercise 1.1, value of the function, remember? So we will be replacing our function f, x will be replaced with 0. Clear? जहाँ पे x है function में, so it would be cos of 0. What is cos of 0? 1. That's it. f of 0 find हो गया. Now I want f dash of 0. Do I have f dash of x? No. So firstly I will be finding my first derivative of the function. What is it? Cos of x का derivative क्या है first? Minus sine of x. Done. I'm done with my first derivative. Now I want f dash of 0. मतलब this x of f dash of x would be replaced with 0. This one would be replaced with 0. So here I'm going to do it, f dash of 0, and that would be minus sine x की जगह पे I will be writing 0. अच्छा, इस एक्सरसाइज में से क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, so do not leave it like that, it's important. Minus sine of 0. What is sine of 0? 0. Done. f dash of 0 आ गया मेरे पास. Okay, next I want value of f double dash of 0. So f double dash of x. What would be third derivative of this? Minus as it is. Sine of x का derivative क्या होता है? Cos of x. Now I have to find f double dash of 0. So it would be f double dash of 0. मतलब I will be replacing this and this x with 0. So I'm going to get it as minus of cos of 0. So it is minus 1. Now you can see what are my values. First derivative key, sorry, f of 0 is 1, then 0, then minus 1. What am I going to do with these values? I will be putting these values in my Maclaurin series. That's it. 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, let me show it to you. I'm going to put it here. f of x की जगह मैं क्या पुट करूँगी? Cos of x equals to f of 0 was 1 plus x into, what was f dash of 0 if you remember? It was 0 plus x square by 2 factorial, and this was minus 1, right? Plus so on. There is no need to do it further. Okay, 1 plus this is 0, and this is, okay, now ये तो हमारे पास आ गया 0 And what about this? This is minus x square by 2 factorial. Further, definitely you will be needing x cube, f triple dash 2, और हमारे पास भी f triple dash चाहिए होगा हमें, but I'm not gonna do it now. I just wanted to show it to you कि cos of x का जो डेरिवेटिव एक्सपेंशन है वो कैसे ओपन होगी. यहाँ पे आप थर्ड डेरिवेटिव की वैल्यू पुट कर दोगे, प्लस आएगा या माइनस आएगा, वो जो भी होगा उस हिसाब से यू विल बी सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग इट. प्लस एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 फैक्टोरियल तो आएगा ही, यहाँ पे जो भी वैल्यू होगी दैट वुड बी प्लेस्ड. ठीक है, plus so on. That's it. That's all you have to do with Maclaurin series. Clear? Let me show you the answer of cos of x. Did I do this part? No. I think I did not. Okay, fine. But anyways, you have to do it, then do let me know. Okay? Okay, now the parts which I have chosen to discuss Maclaurin series are this one, I guess, and this one, e raised to the power x, fourth one. Still, do not worry, I will be explaining the derivatives. ये वाला और ये वाला हम अभी करते हैं, and I will be explaining how to take the derivatives, which are not difficult. ये वाला I have done. ठीक है, okay. Oh wow, the answer is given. You can see 1 minus x square by 2 factorial. यहाँ तक हमने किया था. I forgot that these were proofs, you know. Answers तो given है. So 1 minus x square by 2 factorial. This was being done by me, if you remember. I did not take my third derivative, fourth derivative. You can see over here, fourth, sixth तक गया हुआ है. It means you have to find the derivatives up till sixth derivative तक आपने find करना है. ठीक है, या आप उसके ऊपर 6 डैशेस लगा ले, 1 2 3 4 5 6 डेरिवेटिव तक आपने इसको फाइंड करके जीरो से रिप्लेस करके देन यू हैव टू प्रूव इट. एनीवेज, मैं पहले डेरिवेटिव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पार्ट स्टार्ट करती हूँ. व्हाट इज़ इट? वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स इक्वल्स टू दिस थिंग. अब इसके लिए व्हाट वुड यू डू? फर्स्टली यू विल से ओके एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स. क्लियर? लेट मी शो यू हियर. This is the question and this is what I have to prove from this. Done. Firstly, I will be saying we know that Maclaurin series is f of x equals to f of 0 plus x f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus so on. अब मुझे पता है यहाँ पे फोर्थ डेरिवेटिव तक हमें चाहिए at least because x 4 by 4 आया हुआ है, but I'll be doing it, I'll be discussing it just up till here. Okay, now you wrote here your Maclaurin series. Now you have to start doing the question. This is your equation 1. Okay, you will be saying okay, my f of x, what is my f of x? The function, what is it? What is it? Natural log of x plus 1. Okay, now what do I need for this function? क्या क्या चाहिए मुझे? एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो, एफ डैश ऑफ ज़ीरो, एफ डबल डैश ऑफ ज़ीरो, एफ ट्रिपल डैश ऑफ ज़ीरो, एफ ट्रिपल फोर डैश ऑफ ज़ीरो, ये सारे मुझे चाहिए. सो आई हैव एफ ऑफ एक्स. नाउ आई विल बी गेटिंग एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो, मतलब रिप्लेसिंग दिस एक्स विद ज़ीरो. सो इट वुड बी नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ ज़ीरो प्लस वन विच इज़ वन. सो नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ वन क्या होता है? ज़ीरो होता है. सो एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो आई गॉट एज ज़ीरो. I got my one answer, f of 0, which is 0. Done? Okay, now what is my f of x? Natural log of x. I have to take the derivative, sorry, natural log of x plus 1. I have to take the first derivative. So that would be 1 divided by x plus 1 into further derivative of x plus 1, which is 1. So I'm not going to write it here. For my simplification, can I write it as this? Because later on my derivatives would be far more easier for me to be found, right? अच्छा, यहाँ पर ही हम f dash of 0 इसके सामने find कर लेंगे. Now let us find f double dash of x. Firstly, derivatives find करते हैं. It would be minus 1 into x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1, so it would be minus into x plus 1 raised to the power minus 2. This is my second derivative. Now my third derivative, I'm going to find it directly. Okay, so it would be minus 2 into minus and this minus 2 will be multiplied. It would become 2 into x plus 1 raised to the power minus 3. Clear? This is my f triple dash of x. Now I need to find the values. F of 0, what was it? I just found it previously, if you remember. F of 0 was 0. Okay, f dash of 0, मतलब यहाँ पे x की जगह I will be putting 0. F dash of 0 is 0 plus 1, which is 1 raised to the power minus 1, means 1 divided by 1, so answer would be 1. Done? Okay, now f double dash of 0, matlab replacing this and this x with 0. So it would be minus into 0 plus 1 raised to the power minus 2, matlab 1 divided by, sorry, minus 1 divided by 1 raised to the power 2, so it would become minus 1. Then it is f triple dash of 0, meaning this x would be replaced with 0. So it would be 2 into 0 plus 1 which is 1, 1 raised to the power minus 3, यानी नीचे जाके 1 raised to the power plus 3 हो भी जाएगा, it would become 1. So the answer would be 2. Now what am I going to do with these answers? This answer, this answer, and this answer, and this answer. These 4 answers would be substituted in our Maclaurin series. ठीक है, Maclaurin series में क्या आंसर्स हैं? 0, 1, -1, 2. ठीक है जी, यहाँ लिख लेते हैं 0, 1, -1. So the answers were The answers were 0, -1, 1, and 2, so on. ठीक है, what was my Maclaurin series? It was f of x equals to f dash of 0 plus x, sorry, this was f of 0, f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus so on. Now what am I going to do? I will be replacing these f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0 and f triple dash of 0 with my values which I found. What is f of x? What am I going to replace this f of x with? It was natural log of 1 plus x, like this, equals to f of 0. क्या है f of 0? 0 plus x into f dash of 0. What is f dash of 0? -1 plus x square by 2 factorial as it is into, what is f double dash of 0? It was 1. I think I made some mistake. Okay, this was 1 and this was -1 previously. Okay, this was 1 and this was -1 plus x cube by 3 factorial as it is and f triple dash of value of f triple dash of x. What is it? 2. So it would be here. Okay, now you can see this is 0, ये तो already चला जाएगा. X into +1 would be x square by 2 factorial into -1 would be minus x square by 2. फैक्टोरियल को आप ख़त्म इसलिए इन्होंने किया हुआ है बिकॉज 2 into 1 is 2 factorial. What about this? This is x cube by 3 only. We have x cube divided by 3 factorial into 2. How would we get this thing? After simplification, 3 factorial means 3 into 2. So 2 and 2 would be cancelled out. So x cube divided by 3. That's how you got it. And up to so on. ठीक है? So this is proved. So all you have to do is, firstly you will be taking the function as f of x. ठीक है, फिर उसके जितने डेरिवेटिव्स आपको क्वेश्चन में रिक्वायर्ड हैं, फाइंड दोज डेरिवेटिव्स एंड देन रिप्लेस वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स इन ईच डेरिवेटिव एंड इवन इन एफ ऑफ एक्स with 0, find the answers and then put all the answers in your Maclaurin series and check if the simplification is required, then do simplification, otherwise leave the question as it is. ठीक है जी, बस ये थी आपकी Maclaurin series expansion. This question is given to you here in very detail, right? Let me zoom it in for you people if you need it, otherwise you can do it yourselves. See, fourth derivative तक किया है because you know fourth derivative तक this was required. x raised to the power 4 का मतलब यही बन रहा है. So fourth derivative तक you can find it, then replace all the values. You can see over here f of x means f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, triple dash of 0, f raised to like fourth derivative of f of 0, and then put the values in your Maclaurin series here. Put the values and check if the simplification is needed, like this and this, and this would be your required proof. That's it. So the questions are very easy. E raised to the power x is given to us, and this is what you have to prove. Okay, by the way, this is factorial, this is also factorial. ठीक है जी, ये साइन फैक्टोरियल ऐसे भी गिवन हो सकता है और ऐसे भी गिवन हो सकता है, इवन इन योर एग्जाम. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड पार्ट विच आई हैव चोजन, बट दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई थिंक आई शुड बी एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस वन, क्योंकि इसमें एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स भी आपके पास ई रेस टू द पावर एक्स आएगा, एफ डबल डैश ऑफ एक्स भी आपके पास, एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स भी आपके पास ई रेस टू द पावर एक्स होगा, एफ डबल डैश ऑफ एक्स भी आपके पास ई रेस टू द पावर एक्स ही होगा. सो ऑल द डेरिवेटिव्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन वुड बी सेम. So I should be discussing this one, derivative of this and derivative of this. ठीक है जी. If your f of x is radical of 1 plus x, how would you find the derivatives? वैसे तो you people should know. Still f dash of x would be first derivative, मतलब 1/2 power rule. Right? Further derivative of this is 1. So इसको इस तरह से सिंप्लीफाई करते रहेंगे. एंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ई रेस टू द पावर 2x कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? नाउ द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ई रेस टू द पावर 2x, एफ डैश ऑफ x वुड बी, what is the derivative of e raised to the power something? It is e raised to the power the same thing into further derivative of the power, the exponent, which is 2x over here. So it would be e raised to the power 2x into derivative of this. What is it? 2 being constant as it is, x का derivative is 1. So the answer is f dash of x का आपका क्या आंसर आएगा? It would be 2 e raised to the power 2x. ठीक है. So directly मैं बताऊँ आपको, f double dash of x would be 4 e raised to the power 2x, क्योंकि इसका एक और 2 आ जाएगा. सो इस तरह से यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट. देन ज़ीरोज़ के लिए यू शुड नॉट बी गेटिंग कन्फ्यूज्ड. इफ़ एफ ऑफ एक्स इज़ ई रेस टू द पावर 2x, देन एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो वुड बी ई रेस टू द पावर 0. So if your f of x is e raised to the power 2x or x, your f of 0 would be e raised to the power 2 into 0. सो ई रेस टू द पावर 0 इज़ 1. ठीक है, डू नॉट गेट कन्फ्यूज. इसी तरह से एफ ऑफ एक्स अगर ई रेस टू द पावर एक्स है, तब भी एफ ऑफ 0 वुड बी ई रेस टू द पावर 0 विच इज़ 1. ठीक है, ई रेस टू द पावर 0 इज़ ऑलवेज 1, किसी भी चीज़ की, बल्कि 0 पावर इज़ 1. सो दैट्स इट. This is the solution of this question. You can do it from here too, and I have explained the exercise 2.8 first question in detail. Now this is the assignment. 4 these questions are must. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your assignment. Please do send me your assignment well in time, not after 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. ठीक है जी. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.